Hello Solutionist. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video is all about how to update and delete the table records. Let's double click on button update. I'll go to SQL Server to create a query of update and then copy it. Inside let's call the class constructor class execute query method. Inside let's paste the inside as a parameter of the method. Let me arrange it first. Now let's create a method for refreshing all the text boxes, combobox and dataGridView. Inside we will copy the refresh button event code function and paste it in the method. This is for shortening the codes. Like this, we will call the method of any event to execute its functions. Now let's run it. Now we had an error, so let's fix it. Now it look okay, so let's run it. This how it works. Now let's go to delete. Now let's double click on delete button. It'll go to SQL Server to create a query of delete, then copy it. Inside let's call the class constructor class execute query method. Inside let's paste the inside as a parameter of the method. Let me arrange it first. Now let's run it. Wait, I did not input the message box and refresh method. Now let's add it. Now let's run it again. Understand the flow and the function of the code. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out.